All right.
Yeah,
So what
yeah.
I'm going to teach is basic lighting that is done in studios. Okay, basic lighting that is done in studios. It is not the real thing. It is the basic idea to give you lighting, how we make lights, how we light up a person. So there are two main lights, right? One is the fill light and one is the key light, right? The first light that we put on normally is called the key light. I'm going to show you this key light first. This is the key light, right? It first lights me up on this side or this side. It depends, of course. But this is the key light. This is the key light which immediately lights me up. First thing that it does is lights me up. The key light. म्हणजे key म्हणजे चावी असल्या the key light. That is the first light that is always put on. This is what happens. So when the key light is turned on, you can see that it's from one side and half of my area is lit up. The other half is not lit up. I don't have cutters on this because if there was a cutter on this, then even the curtain behind me wouldn't have lit up. त्याच्यावर light पडलाच नसता. It's completely dark. It's completely dark. So if I hold something here, so for example, if I cut this light out from here totally, then it will not fall on the curtain also. See now there is a very less light on the curtain. It is completely cut off. See now the light will fall only on me, right? This is how the lighting is done. The lighting is done only on me. It will not fall on the curtain. So this is the first. And usually the curtains in the studio are black, right? The curtains in the studio are black. So this is going to reflect. This my curtain right now is going to reflect the light very well. So it is showing. Otherwise, it will not show anything. It will be completely dark, right? There will be no light at all except the light which is coming here. This is the key light, the first light that is put on. Then now, because half of my face is in shadow, I need to have light here also, right? I need to have light here also. That is called a fill light. See, now what happens is I've got a fill light. So there's one light coming from here, which is the key light, and the second light which fills up the area which are not lighted previously, right? Which are not lighted previously. So the entire face get now I've got specs. If I don't wear specs, then it look better. But then sometimes this light is not placed like this. Sometimes it's placed like this. So it will fall directly on me here, like this, and it will fall from here directly on this. See, so this is how we do the lighting in studios. So my entire face gets lit up. Now there's another thing that we do in studios. When this light is not enough, there's a shadow under my eyes, right? Shadow under my eyes, and especially it always fall. So we have got something called ambient light, which fills up the shadows also. That all depends on how what kind of shot you are going to take, whether it's a suspense movie, it's a happy movie, or whatever. So depending on that, the lighting is done, right? So that will be an ambient light which will fill up the entire area. Akhte Ali, just 1 minute, let him come in. I'll repeat what I said right now. Yeah. Good evening, Akhte sir. मी चालू केलं होतं. I just repeat what I said. I'm showing the basic lighting techniques today first, right? I'm showing the basic lighting techniques. So what I'm going to show is what we do in studios. In studios, normally the entire thing is dark black in color, right? So light does not reflect anywhere. And we start with this kind of lighting. So the first light that we have is this light that is called the key light. The first light that lights up an object or a space. It may not be a person, it may be a thing, it may be something like a dabba, right? So even this has to be lit up. So when you do model photography, when you model manje not a person, when you do product photography, it is very important that you light up the product very well. Otherwise, the product comes out very bad in the picture, and that is the key for advertising. Because if your product doesn't look good, your advertisement is not going to look good. The first light is key lighting, right? The second light is because I've got a key light here, there are shadows on this side. So I have to fill up this shadow, right? So I use the fill light. This is the fill light. So now both the areas get filled up. Now, because the biggest problem for lighting is spectacles. If you've got spectacles, somewhere or other it's going to reflect. मी असं बघितलं का is going to
एको एको
reflect.
करत येतो
Echo
सर.
नाही मग नाही प्लीज एव्हरीबडी प्लीज स्विच ऑफ युअर स्पीकर कोणाचं ते चालू असतं. मला नाही येत आहे ऐकू. मला ऐकू येत नाहीये. तुमचा स्पीकर बंद करा किंवा जरा कमी व्हॉल्यूम ठेवा. तुमचाच आवाज तुम्हाला रिपीट होतो येऊन ऐकू येत असेल. अजून येतोय का ऐकू? एव्हरीबडी प्लीज टर्न देअर माईक ऑफ. स्पीकर पेक्षा प्लीज टर्न युअर माईक. प्रसेनजीत विल प्लीज टर्न युअर माईक ऑफ. प्रसेनजीत?
Mic is off on here.
No, it's on. I can hear you. Mic is on. What happens is when I'm speaking, that it gets picked up by a mic and it just comes back to us. So please put your mic off, everybody. Yeah, now it's off. खरे तुमचा पण माईक ऑफ करा. स्पीकर ऑन ठेवा. Yeah, okay. So you got this first technique, the key light and the fill light. The key light is the first light that is lit so that the object is seen. The second light is the fill light, so it will fill up the dark areas that I have, right? There is a third light which is used, which is kept behind me, and that is called a backlight. आता माझ्याकडे backlight माझा नेमका आज there's something wrong with my light there. It's not working. It is not visible. It is kept below me. It lights up my border of my body, right? It lights up the border of my body. It is kept behind me, right? It falls on my back. That is called a backlight. And sometimes there's a fourth light that is used, that is called a background light. So it is used to light the background. See now the curtain is lit. You can see that, right? The curtain is lit. If I switch it off, हे बघा, right? The curtain is lit. So it is focused from far and lights up the curtain. Can you see the light there? See the curtains get lit up, right? That's called a background light. Why is the background light used? When we use the background light, we use it to show some depth. Now, the distance between me and that curtain is about 6 feet. So if I place a small vase or a small tool, it looks like a large one. So suppose this is my water bottle, right? I place a similar water bottle which looks like a 1 liter water bottle and place it behind, and I light that water bottle up. It looks like it is very far. You understand? When you place an object far, it looks smaller. Barabar? It looks smaller. So if I keep an object which looks smaller even if it is 5 feet away from me, and because everything else is dark, right? It looks as if it is very far off. So we build distances. We make distance. We look at distances. त्याची डेप्थ असते. उस फिल्म का उस शॉट का डेप्थ होता है. वो डेप्थ दिखाने के लिए हम लोग background light use करते हैं, right? We light up the background like this. We light up the background like this. Okay, that is how we use these lights. Three lights mainly. One is the key light here. The second is the fill light here, right? And the third one, fill light. And the third one is the back light, which is behind me. And the fourth one is the background light, which will light up the background. Okay, which will light up the background. That is how the lighting is done. Now, in a studio setup, this is fine, right? In a studio setup, this is fine. In the real setup, 1 minute, I'm just going to put on the main lights here because I know I'm being seen very dark here. 1 second. Yeah. So what happens in the external environment? बाहेर काय होतं? In outside, when you're shooting outside in on a location, first thing that we do is we try to use as much daylight as possible, right? When daylight is not possible, we use flashlights, huge flashlights, and even in daylight we use reflectors. मोठे white thermocol किंवा white sheets असतात. We reflect the light on the face of the person. Sometimes the light needs to be reflected. We need more light, so we reflect the light. Okay, so I can show you that 1 second. All right, I'm just opening some images for you.
Yes, sir. The lights like they are in the wedding also. Some lights like they are in the wedding.
Yes. They are used ambient light, so they light up the entire area. They don't use this. They don't have time. This kind of lighting requires a lot of time. Okay, sometimes we spend one hour for a single shot, right? But in wedding, the photographer doesn't have time for doing all lighting, so he lights up the entire space, right? It is like sunlight, and only when clicking pictures he uses flash, right? He uses flash, but otherwise he doesn't have time to do this kind of lighting takes a long time. You have got dimmers, you have got cutters, you have got filters. You use a lot of things when you are doing studio photography, but when you are doing wedding photography, उसको तो फटाफट पिक्चर खींचना होता है 600 700। अगर हर पिक्चर के लाइट खींच करते रहेगा तो उसका टाइम निकल जाएगा, एंड वेडिंग विल गेट ओवर, उसका लाइटिंग हु करे?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
in a wedding situation, we don't use this all this. This is all not used for wedding. Wedding entire thing is, you have been to weddings, right? Samaira, शादियों
Yes.
में गए हो, पूरा लाइट अप होता है, एकदम जगमगाहट होती है पूरी, राइट? क्यों होती है? उसके लिए होती है क्योंकि उनको फोटोग्राफी क्विकली करनी होती है।
Yes, sir. There are white umbrellas on the stage.
Yes, I'm going to talk about that. See, what happens is, if I don't keep an umbrella, then the light becomes very harsh. I'm going to remove what I put on my light here and see what happens here. Light becomes very harsh, right? It
Yes,
becomes very
on
harsh.
the stage
So,
there is an area where
yes,
there's proper lighting and things.
yes. So the white umbrellas are used mainly because you have to soften the light a bit. Otherwise, the photograph comes very gaudy, right? वो gaudy photograph आता है उसका. So to soften that light, we have to soften the light so that the picture doesn't come very gaudy. And pehle, in the older days, even about 5 years back, we used to use something called halogen lights, right? There used to be this small tube, yellow color. It used to be yellow color light. We used to use that light. Nowadays, we are using LED lights which are white. White light gives you near daylight simulation, almost like daylight, right? So you have enough white lights, you get perfect lighting. Okay, a photographer in the camera, he has got a lot of settings to adjust, right? In the camera, you have got something called white balance. I cannot explain white balance right now, but white balance hota hai. With white balance, who is the photographer here? Apna Chennai wala, who is the photographer? Vinayak is the photographer. No, not Vinayak, sorry. Prasanjit is the photographer, right?
Yeah, I used to take some time, that's all. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See, in
But apart
photograph,
from the Taneshwaran who was there, he was also taking the photograph.
right, somebody. So, see, the point is key, there's something called white balance, and you tell the camera that, so suppose the light is white, right? Light is white. So there's a mask here. This should not look white. This should look yellow, right? If the light is yellow, बरोबर?
Yes, sir.
हर्ष कळतंय ना? हा, जर का ह्याच्यावर येलो लाईट पडला तर हा येलो दिसेल. इफ यू गॉट अ येलो लाईट, हॅलोजन, ओल्ड टाइप्स ऑफ लाईट, if you got yellow light, this will look yellow. So in camera there is a setting. In camera there is a setting called white balance, right? So what we do is we take something white, we put the yellow light, and we tell the camera, this is my white. This is my white, right? We point this white as a white, and then the camera treats that as the main white and then adjusts its photo accordingly. नहीं तो all photographs will come yellow. बराबर ना? If you don't do these adjustments, all photographs will come yellow in color. In शादी, if you get all yellow color photograph, उसको तो मार पड़ेगी, right? You have to have natural looking photographs more. So there will always be little golden color in शादी का photographs. But otherwise, you have to have natural color. For that, this white balance is done in a high-end cameras. In high-end cameras, you get that, right? Even on your computer, even on your mobile phone, there is a white balance, right? Have you seen that?
No, not seen.
Okay. We'll talk about that later. अभी नहीं, उसके बात करेंगे. But there is something called white balance in your mobile phone also, right? Can you see my camera? You can, right? Now, if you see this Pro mode, I've put my Pro mode on, and this is the WB white balance. See, now in this white balance, what you're going to see is you're going to see where. How can I show this to you? Okay. Suppose I'm pointing to this. You can see the changing, right? You can see it changing. So what white balance decides is what is the white, right? So if it is white, now here we don't have an automatic system. So this white is supposed to be white. So if this is the white I'm taking, but suppose I've got a yellow light, then I'll have to take my this thing to yellow, right? Thoda yellow, that it will give the right kind of picture. आपको try out करना पड़ेगा उसको. You have to use the white balance part of your mobile phone for doing, because we have to do a lot of things today again. Let's not waste time on this. So this is what the lighting is about. Okay. Now, any doubts about lighting? Oh, I want to show you the pictures of. Okay, I'm going to show you pictures now first. Let me see. Here it is. See, this is the kind of pictures we show. Can you see that? So he's shooting her actually, but there's a reflector which is pointing to our own face, because the light on that day is coming from this side. So this area of the face is not lit up. So she's holding a reflector which will reflect some light on her face. Got it? See, they use reflectors to light up the person. See here. So the light is coming from this side, and this is the photo taken. So if you take the photo without this reflector, then that part of the area will become dark, right? Just give me a moment. I have to take this call. I've got a call. Okay, I can't enlarge it. Let me see if I can enlarge this. No, it will take me to my to that page.
सर तुम्ही लॅपटॉप वरून शेअर केले का?
नाही नाही माझ्या कॉम्प्युटरवर शेअर केलं डायरेक्ट.
ओके हा नाहीतर मग
Okay, see this. I try to. Can you see this now? Can you see this now? I have enlarged it. Yeah. So if there was no reflector, then यहाँ पे shadow आता था. Because there's a reflector, this side of the face is also lit up. Saw that?
Yes, yes.
That's how it is
I
done. That's how it is
Got
done. Let me show you something else also. So look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is all they've used lights. The light. So there's a light from back. So if there's a back light, then you are going to look very dark. So you have to have light focused on you to get this kind of picture. Get it? So the lighting is external lighting is like that. Look at this one. Look at this one. Now what he's doing, can anybody tell me what he's doing? Samaira, can you tell me what he's doing?
सर मी सांगू
सांग ना. सांग तू सांग.
लग्नात जसं करतात ना छत्री घालतात तसं तर त्याला म्हणजे त्याच्या चेहऱ्यासमोरून लाईट येतोय म्हणून तो कव्हर करतोय की म्हणजे त्याचा चेहरा दिसला पाहिजे.
Soften करतोय. Soft करतोय light.
हा सॉफ्ट करतोय लाईट.
Yes, or balancing the brightness.
Yes, yes. So it is too white. It will get white out. Right? Get white out. एकदम body दिसेल ते. It get white out. So he's balancing that. He's softening the light there. Same thing here. Right? They are softening the light which is coming from top. This is how the lighting is done in real world, in especially outside. Okay. Oh, sorry, I did not show you that one. See this one. Oh, this you are looking at it now. So this is again the similar one. This one is a backlit picture, right? This is a backlit picture. Look at this one also. See, there's a light at the back. So if there's a light at the back and you don't light her up from here, then she's going to look dark, na? Silhouette is not tomorrow. So you have to light her up from the front. Only then this picture will be possible, right? Only then this picture is possible. Or you can see this picture. Do you know how this is light up? This is not the candle light. There is another light which is, near the candle, which is focused on her face. सिर्फ कैंडल से इतना अच्छा पिक्चर शायद नहीं आएगा. Get the point? You may not get this picture without that. Look at this one. There's a light at the back, right? This is called the backlight, which I was talking about. This is a backlight. But if there's a light in the back and no light in the front, then the face will not be seen. You'll see only dark. Understand? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Everybody is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now I'm going to close this and let's go ahead with our subject. All right? Let's go ahead. So
पण मोबाईल शूटिंग मध्ये पण मग असं हे घ्यायला पाहिजे का?
हे बघा, मोबाईल शूटिंग म्हणजे मोबाईल आता तर कॅमेरा आहे.
या
राईट. आवर मोबाईल्स आर इक्विप्ड, खूप चांगले असतात. आपल्याकडे काय म्हणतात त्याला, लो लाईटला खूप चांगले फोटो येतात जनरली स्पीकिंग. फार जास्त लाइटिंग करायला लागत नाही. बट
हा.
इफ यू आर डुईंग एनिथिंग प्रोफेशनल, थोडंसं जरी प्रोफेशनल असेल तर लाईट अरेंज करावेत. आता तुम्ही तुमच्या मंडळामध्ये काम करता,
हो.
बरोबर? तुम्ही मंडळाची, सॉरी आय एम टॉकिंग इन मराठी, शी वर्क्स इन अ लॉट ऑफ आरती नाही, भजन मंडळ और हर
Yeah.
आय डोंट नो हाऊ टू टॉक. या लोकांना कसं सांगायचं माहित नाही मला, साऊथ त्यांना त्यांच्याकडे काय म्हणतात माहित नाही. बट शी हॅज गॉट ग्रुप्स वेअर दे हॅव प्रोग्राम्स and she does her own films, right? She shoots and then she edits her own films. But if you are doing that, आप वो कर रहे होंगे तो आपको वहां पे लाइट अच्छा है, आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, see, as film producers, like I told you that day, that as film producer now you don't have a right to enjoy films only. You are a filmmaker, so you're responsible for the quality of the film.
Yeah.
So when you are shooting a program, you have to ensure that the lighting is good, at least fairly good, so that it does not pixelate. Low light means pixelation. लो लाईट म्हणजे इमिजिएटली चित्र असं भुरकट दिसायला लागतं, पिक्सलेट व्हायला लागतं. त्यामुळे लाइटिंग आपण इन्शुअर करायचं आधी प्रोग्रामच्या आधी की दोन लाईट लावून हॅलोजन लावता येतं. सी इट इज नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल फिल्म, इट इज नॉट अ मूवी, बट ॲटलीस्ट द पिक्चर क्वालिटी शुड बी गुड. Because in a program like that, what you'll probably do is you'll put the camera in one place and shoot, right? And maybe if there is a singer or somebody, you'll take a close-up or a mid shot. आता तुम्हाला माहिती आहे तो डिफरन्स काय आहे, राईट? त्यामुळे
Yes.
you have to just alter that. So if when the program announcement is going on, you can shoot a long shot with all the people sitting there or standing there. And when one person is going to sing, you can take a mid shot of that person when you are in the camera, right? That you can now change. So
Yes.
so that is something that you have to take care. Lighting has to be taken care. Like yesterday, somebody asked me a question: what is the job of the cameraman? What does the cameraman do? The cameraman does the lighting. And since we are producers, directors, DOPs, DOP means director of photography, cameraman, everything, when we are doing independent films, we have to take care of everything. लाईट पण आपणच अरेंज करायचा, दुकान आपण गप आपणच बसवायचं, सगळं आपणच करायला लागतं. वी हॅव टू डू एव्हरीथिंग आवर्सेल्व्स.
Yes.
So lighting is extremely important. Yeah.
Right.
All right. Any other question about lighting? No.
No, sir.
Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to see two screenplays, right? There is something called script. Okay. There is something called story. Then there is something called script. Then there is something called screenplay, and there is something called storyboard. Okay. There are four things that you do before you start shooting the film, right? Well, before we start shooting a film, these are the four things we do. A story is a basic story. फक्त गोष्ट असते, कहानी होती है एखादी, राइट? उस कहानी का एक स्क्रिप्ट में रूपांतर किया जाता है, राइट? स्क्रिप्ट में रूपांतर किया जाता है, वेयर यू आर डिफाइनिंग कि द स्टोरी इज सेट इन अ हाउस, इट इज सेट आउटसाइड, इट सेट इन द गार्डन. हे सगळं आपण डिफाइन करू. यू राइट इन डिटेल अबाउट दॅट. You just write. You are not doing anything but writing the story in a format which is understood by a filmmaker. It is still not a screenplay, because a screenplay has got a definite format. It has got a definite method of writing, right? A script, we have 3 or 4 columns. On one side, we write the story. On one column, we write the story. Then in another column, we write all the audio or the dialogues. Then in other side, we add a description of the shots. And the fourth column, we add right, this is the kind of music we are going to use in that film, right? Nowadays, we are not even doing the script, we are going straight to the screenplay, right? I'm going to read out a screenplay, right? Now, these two kids are there, so I have taken care not to choose a screenplay which is not fit for kids. I have chosen, but there is Godfather, which is not a very adult film, but the opening sequence of Godfather is not a problem. There is a scene which is descriptive but not shown. I hope you don't mind. Shweta, I hope you don't mind Godfather. The script of Godfather, is it okay?
Yes, sir, we have to go ahead with it.
Okay. So, because it is one of the best screenplays ever written in the world, it is one of the top screenplays I've ever read, and it is very descriptive. And there's a particular method by which the screenplay is written. I'm going to read it out, and then we are going to watch the opening sequence of Godfather. Godfather 1. You can see this, right?
Yes.
Okay. I try to enlarge it as much as possible. I know
Yes,
it will be light because it is written in the font. Uh, okay. Can you read this also?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to quickly go through the first paragraphs here. So how this is how it is written. First, the title of the film. Then it is written interior day. That is the shot that is being shown first is an interior shot. It is inside some premises. It is daytime. And what is the location? Don's office. And it is in summer 1945. That is the location and the area that is shown. Then what is being shown on the screen? A screenplay is essentially what is going to be shown on the screen, right? But it is not short wise. It is general. The Paramount logo is presented austerely over a black background. There is a moment's hesitation, and then the simple words in white lettering, "The Godfather," appear. While this remains, we hear, "I believe in America." Suddenly, we are watching in close view Amerigo Bonacera, a man of 60 dressed in a black suit on the verge of great emotion. Bonacera, America has made my fortune. As he speaks, the view imperceptibly begins to loosen. When I say it begins to loosen, means the camera is moving backwards or zooming out. Barabar? Yesterday we saw what is the meaning. It is either zooming out or it is moving backwards. One of the things it is doing. It is the view is loosening. So it is a tight view. So this is the tight view, and then it is loosening, right? So it is going backwards. That is the meaning of loosening of view. As he speaks, the view imperceptibly begins to loosen. Bonacera. Now, what Bonacera is talking is shown like this, right? See the format. See the format, right? See the format. This is how it is written. The person who is speaking, it comes in the center and it comes like this. So I raised my daughter in the American fashion. I gave her freedom, but taught her never to dishonor her family. She found a boyfriend, not an Italian. She went to movies with him, stayed out late. 2 months ago, he took her for a drive with another boyfriend. They made her drink whiskey and they tried to take advantage of her. She resisted, she kept her honor. So they beat her like an animal. Then I went to the hospital. Her nose was broken. Her jaw was shattered and held together by wire. And she could not even weep because of pain. He can now barely. Now, this is the dialogue. Then once the dialogue is over, he can barely speak. He's weeping now. So the description of the shot, the person, is written like this. Then he talks about how he went to the police and he gets a suspended sentence, right? And on the same day, they are freed in the courtroom. He looks like a fool. So he says that I should go to the Godfather. By now, the view is full. So while all this is happening, the camera is pulling back and back. So we are getting the full view of the Don Corleone's office. The blinds are closed and go to the room, and so the room is dark with patterned shadows. Means he described how he thinks the room should be. The screenplay writer has described how he thinks the room should be. It is his vision, right? We are watching Bonacera over the shoulder of Don Corleone. Tom Hagen sits near a small table examining some paperwork, etc., etc. He's describing what is happening across the room. So Don says we hardly know each other. So we know each other for years, but this is the first time you have come to me for help. So he asked, Bonacera asked, what do you want from me? I'll do whatever you want. So for what do you want? So Bonacera whispers in Don's ear. He gets up and whispers in Don's ear. He says, no, you are asking for too much. I ask for justice. The court gave you justice. An eye for an eye is what Bonacera demands. Don Corleone says, but your daughter is still alive. Then Bonacera says, then make them suffer as she suffers. How much shall I pay? So the Don is the Don, right? You don't ask the king, कितना पैसा चाहिए बे तेरे को? ऐसे तो नहीं पूछते. So the Don has got that kind of power. You can't ask that person कितना पैसा चाहिए, right? So then there's this. The scene follows like this. He talks. He says that you should take justice. You should not. He says you never come to me. You're going to the American court, so you should, believe in American court, etc., etc. So he says that if you come to me with friendship and loyalty, means you have to recognize me as your God, as the godfather of this area. Then I'll help you. That is the end of the scene, right? So I'm going to now show you this. Now, why this is one of the best written screenplays ever. Screenplay the screenplay is a description of the shot, right? But it is not talking exactly where the camera is placed, right? It is not describing every minute detail of the room itself. It's just showing that the room is dark, there's a sofa, there's people sitting around, and there's a patterned light. It is the description of the writer, right? It's the description of the writer. Based on that, based on a screenplay, the director recreates everything. The director tries to recreate the vision of the writer, but the director is the one who calls the shots, not the writer, not the storyteller, not the original writer also. Sharat Chandra Mukhopadhyay wrote Devdas. Barabar? There are four Devdases. Right? There are four Devdas films. Last one is Devdi. Then there is Devdas made by this, क्या नाम है उसका? एक बिमल रॉय का है. One is older than that, and one is this, what's his name? Yeah, मुंह पे है. Who is this famous? Who made, Bhanushali.
सुभाष घई ना?
No, not
Bhansali.
सुभाष घई.
Bhanushali. So one Devdas is by Bhanushali, one Devdas is by Bimal Roy, and one Devdas is by
Sanjay Leela Bansali.
Sanjay, not Bhanushali, Leela Bansali. Sanjay Leela Bansali. Sorry.
Sanjay
Sanjay Leela Bansali. One is by Bimal Roy. There's one more older one. So what is happening is there is one author, one storyteller, somebody who has written the book, right? But the director is the writer of the film. You get the point? Director is the writer of the film. He writes the film. He writes the shots. And he's the storyteller for the film. There's something called auteur theory, or it is called author. Auteur is a French word. It's called auteur theory. Means the director of the film is the author of the film. Whoever is the story writer. So the story might be written by anybody in the world, but the author of the film is always and always the director. So now, Godfather story is written by somebody, Mario Puzo. Then the screenplay is written by somebody, but the film shots are written only and only by the director. Now let us see the
I believe in America. America has made my fortune. And I raised my daughter in the American fashion. I gave her freedom, but I taught her never to dishonor her family. She found a boyfriend, not an Italian. She went to the movies with him. She stayed out late. I didn't protest. 2 months ago, he took her for a drive with another boyfriend. They made her drink whiskey, and then they tried to take advantage of her. She resisted. She kept her honor. So they beat her like an animal. When I went to the hospital, her nose was broken. Her jaw was shattered, held together by wire. She couldn't even weep because of the pain. But I wept. Why did I weep? She was the light of my life. Beautiful girl. Now she will never be beautiful again. Sorry. went to the police like a good American. These two boys were brought to trial. The judge sentenced them to 3 years in prison and suspended the sentence. Suspended the sentence. They went free that very day. I stood in the courtroom like a fool. And those two bastards, they smiled at me. Then I said to my wife, for justice, we must go to Don Corleone.
Why did you go to the police? Why didn't you come to me first?
What do you want of me? Tell me anything. Do what I beg you to do.
What is that? That I cannot do.
I'll give you anything you ask.
We've known each other many years, but this is the first time you ever came to me for counsel.
Yes, sir.
I can't remember the last time that you invited me to your house for a cup of coffee. Even though my wife is godmother to your only child. But let's be frank, you never wanted my friendship. And you were afraid to be my dad.
I didn't want to get into trouble.
You understand?
Voice is very low.
You found paradise in America,
Your voice is very low.
had a good trade, made a good living, police protected you, and there were courts of law.
Yes, sir. Voice is very low.
We cannot hear clearly.
But now you come to me and you say, Don Corleone, give me justice. But you don't ask for respect. You don't offer friendship. You don't even think to call me Godfather. Instead, you come into my house on the day my daughter's to be married and you ask me to do murder for money.
I ask you for justice.
That is not justice. Your daughter is still alive.
Let them suffer then.
Voice is not clear, sir.
She suffers.
We can't hear properly.
How much shall I pay you?
Sir, voice is not clear. We can't hear properly.
Bonus. What have I ever done to make you treat me so disrespectfully? You come to me in friendship, and the scum that ruined your daughter would be suffering this very day. And if by chance an honest man like yourself should make enemies, then he would become my enemies. And then they would fear you.
Be my friend? Godfather?
Voice is not clear, sir.
Someday, and that day may never come, I'll call upon you to do a service for me. But until that day, accept this justice as a gift on my daughter's wedding day.
Grazie. Godfather.
Great. Give this to Clemenza.
Let's get to the topic, but the point is key. The screenplay is written by somebody, and it is the director's vision. That is what is you are going to see on the screen. Screenplay gives description, but the director actually calls the shot, decides how the room is going to be, how is the dress going to be, what suits they are going to wear, where they are going to sit exactly, right? How they are going to show the dialogue. Bonasera picks up a wine glass, right? He's given a wine glass. That was not in the screenplay. It was written by the director. So maybe there was something to, during the filming, they thought they should add something that is decided by the director to show that. All right. So I'm going to show you another screenplay of the picture called Truman Show. Everybody should watch this film called Truman Show, right? It's a wonderful film. This is the story of a child who is born on TV, right? The story of a child who is born on TV. That's a birth, but even the birth of the child is a part of a never-ending never-ending show. It's called a Truman Show. His name is Truman. He is born on TV and he grows up on TV. And except that particular character, everybody in the film is an actor. Everybody in his life is an actor, right? Absolutely everybody. His wife, his friends, his father, his mother, or whoever is in the film, his own relatives, everybody is an actor. That is the film, and that is the irony. This is what media. It is actually a statement on the media industry today, and how we are fooled by a lot of things. It's a statement on that. It's a wonderful film. I'm going to read out the screenplay again today, and then we are going to quickly. I'm not going to read too much of this one. I'm going to quickly go through it fast, but we are going to read it out anyway. Another Truman Show. All right. So quickly, I'm going to read it out. A fog mirror. Behind a fog mirror, we hear the sounds of a bathroom. After a long moment, a hand wipes the condensation from the gas on the mirror. Truman enters and you see the face of Truman Burbank. He wears a sleeveless Hanes shirt, undershirt, and striped pajama bottoms, etc., etc. He's expressionless, studies his reflection, takes a long time, moment, does nothing. He continues to look impassively to the mirror for what becomes an uncomfortably long time. Still nothing. Finally, he speaks, talking to himself in the mirror as if participating in a television interview. Now, then he says all this. Personally, I think I've conquered all these things. Truman resignedly opens the door of the cabinet, replaces his shaving tackle. It partially obscures the lens of the hidden camera. It closes the door and exits. Interior kitchen, Merrill, wearing a stylish robe, sits at the kitchen table, sipping coffee on the. So that is how all the stories goes. So if you see this screenplay, and I'm going to show you the film ka beginning, you'll see it's exactly almost same. Only they have added a scene in the beginning. Okay, they have added a scene right in the beginning of the whole thing.
एक्टिंग देखकर हम लोग थोड़े बोर हो गए हैं.
Okay, this is a dubbed version. This is a Hindi one. Now, when I start it, will you please tell me whether you can hear it? Otherwise, I'll increase my own sound.
इतनी सारी टेक्निक्स और बेकार
Can you hear? Can you hear?
दुनिया में रहता है.
No, sir, voice is.
Yes, sir.
हद तक काफी.
Sir, if you close your mic,
लेकिन
then
हमारा
it
ट्रूमन
would be
बिल्कुल
fine.
असली है.
No, no,
ना ही
we
स्क्रिप्ट,
cannot hear.
ना ही क्यू कार्ड्स.
सर आवाज खूप लो
ये
है.
शेक्सपियर का नाटक नहीं बल्कि असली है.
We can't
ये
hear it.
सच्चाई है.
मैं नहीं आ रहा हूं. तुम्हें मेरे बगैर ही ये सब करना होगा.
सर तुम्ही तुमच्या ना युट्यूबचा आवाज वाढवा व्हॉइसच्या.
तुम्हें इस पहाड़ी की चोटी तक जाना है, टूटे हाथ पैर के साथ इसे.
My YouTube volume is maximum.
पण
कई
आवाज
सारे
खूप लो
दर्शक
आहे.
उसे रात में आराम करने देते हैं.
हा आता येतोय नाही.
तुम जानते हो तुम पागल हो.
देखिए मेरे लिए तो पब्लिक लाइफ में कोई खास फर्क नहीं है. मेरी जिंदगी मेरी है और मेरी जिंदगी है ट्रूमैन शो. ट्रूमैन शो एक लाइफस्टाइल है, एक बहुत ही अच्छी लाइफ है. ये वाकई एक बेहतरीन जिंदगी है.
कुछ ऐसा बताओ जो मैं नहीं जानता. अच्छा कम से कम एक वादा करो मुझसे. समिट तक पहुंचने से पहले मैं मर जाता हूं तो तुम लोग पता नहीं मेरा क्या हाल करोगे. बहुत ही
Sorry, this is not the opening sequence. I'll send the opening sequence to you afterwards. Okay, let's forget that. But what I want to tell you is that this is what happens when you are writing a screenplay and a short. The director decides what is going to go on the screen, and that is the fun of the screenplay. Now, what I want you to all to do tonight, आज काय करायचं तुम्हाला? I'm going to give you an assignment. Okay, and rest of the 10 minutes we are going to spend on describing the assignments. Yesterday we saw all the shots and angles, right? How many of you have seen it back? Have you been able to see it back again? Have you done the revision? Somebody? परत बघितलं का कोणी? नाही. Okay, so what I want you to do for tomorrow is I want you to shoot just like I shot my colleague, Jerusha. I want you all to shoot one shot on video of every single shot. I want you to shoot an extreme long shot, which you can take from your balcony or just going outside somewhere. You don't have to go out except taking that shot. But I want you to shoot an extreme long shot. I want you to shoot a long shot. Then I want you to shoot the cowboy shot. I want you to shoot the mid shot, closer mid. Then I want you to shoot the close shot, extreme close-up shot. सगळे शॉट मला परत तुमच्याकडनं शूट करून हवे. And you have to send them that on the group. Okay? All these shots you have to shoot tomorrow and send them to me on the group. प्रत्येकाने shot. हा, बोला.
सगळे शॉट वेगवेगळे करून पाठवायचे का कंबाईन पाठवायचे?
तुम्हाला मी एक ट्रिक सांगतो. I'll just show you one trick. Okay? एक ट्रिक दाखवतो. When you start your movie camera, when you start your video camera, right, what you can do is when you start recording, right, instead of pressing this button, stop button, you press the pause button, right? You press the pause button, right? Then you go back, then you press the इथे recording button is लाल. See, then it becomes red here. Pause, and so you again press the recording button. Again press the pause button. Again you change the shot, you again press this button. So you can just send one single video. Got it, everybody? You can use the pause button instead of stop button for shooting your video. If you use the stop button, then every video is going to be different. And you have to send me 10 files. Instead, if you use the pause button, you can send me a single file with all the shots.
Okay, sir.
Right. And please hold the camera horizontal. Don't hold it vertical.
Okay,
Horizontal.
sir.
Yes. Perfect, Harsh, perfect. बरोबर. ही मुलं आपल्यापेक्षा लवकर शिकतात बरं का. They learn faster than us. They learn very fast. They are very fast.
जन्मापासून मोबाईल मिळाला.
हो, मग born digital. Actually born digital. आपण आपल्या ग्रुपने I did not see a mobile till it actually was launched first time. And by that time I was what? I think I was much beyond. I was in my 40s, I think, when the mobile was launched. I was definitely in my 40s. And we saw the first television coming to our house. कॉलेजमध्ये असताना टेलिव्हिजन नव्हताच, शाळेमध्ये असताना तर नव्हता. आय थिंक आय वॉज इन सिनियर कॉलेज फर्स्ट इयर सेकंड इयर. दॅट इज द टाइम व्हेन वी गॉट अ टेलिव्हिजन इन आवर हाऊस. सो वी हॅव सीन एव्हरीथिंग कमिंग. दीज पीपल आर बॉर्न डिजिटल. तुमचा म्हणतात सिल्वर स्पून इन माउथ, तसं डिजिटल इन माउथ. मोबाईल हातात धरूनच जन्माला आले सगळे लोक. बट so when did you start first to pick up your mobile phone, Samaira and Harsh? When you remember, I think when you were 2 years old, बाबांच्या मोबाईल वरती गेम खेळायला सुरुवात केली.
It was always there.
It was always there. So you're never faced the time when there was no mobile or
No.
the remote control also of your
नाही मला तर माझा फोन आता 9वीत आल्यावर मिळालाय. आधी माझ्याकडे
हो, पण बाबांचा फोन किती वेळा गेम खेळायला वापरला?
नाही, बाबांचा फोन नाही, लॅपटॉप होता आणि त्याच्या आधी भावासोबत खेळायचो किंवा कधी कधी आईच्या फोनवर. जास्ती फोन नाही वापरायचो.
बरोबर. पण म्हणजे लहानपणापासून फोन बघितलाय ना?
हा, म्हणजे 5 वर्षाचा असताना म्हणजे बघितलाय फोन, पण खेळायचो नाही जास्ती.
पण बघितलाय ना, आम्ही बघितलाच नव्हता अरे फोन. आमच्याकडे तर साधा फोन पण नसायचा पूर्वी. साधा फोन मिळायला 1-1 वर्ष वाट बघायला लागायची, माहितीये का तुला? Anyway, so anyway, so
I love to watch TV on mobile. It was just on Saturday. I've get the access 1 year back, so I can watch it.
I must congratulate your mother about that. I was not able to do that with my son. Now my son is 26 years old, but I was always having a losing battle with my son. He used to start crying, and then I used to give him the television. So थोड़ा control था, थोड़ा नहीं था. Anyway, so today we are not going to have too much time, but I want you to shoot all these shots. Only when you actually shoot, you'll realize what happens when you're taking a shot. Right? Please take care that you're not shooting something against the light. So when you shoot a person, there should be no light behind. म्हणजे खिडकीच्या पुढ्यात उभं राहून त्याचा फोटो काढू नका किंवा शूट करू नका. And it has to be all video, not photographs. It has to be all video. And you have to use the pause button instead of stop button. Otherwise, you have to send me 10 different files. Right? So, बोला.
सर प्लीज रिपीट काय काय शूट करायचंय?
सगळे शॉट जे सांगितले काल ते.
लॉंग शॉट,
लॉंग शॉट, cowboy shot, then mid shot कमरेपासून वरती, then closer mid, right? Closer mid आणि close मधला छातीच्या जरासा खालपासून, then close up from the chest level, then only close up of the face, and then extreme close up of the eyes. You can also add व्हिडिओ काढायचा, सगळ्याचे व्हिडिओ काढायचा आणि पाठवायचे, आणि पॉज बटन दाबून हे शॉट घेत राहायचं. राईट?
Okay.
So you have to send me that tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to do something very exciting. We are going to see a lot of advertisements. Right? See a lot of advertisements, and we are going to try and understand how they are made. Right? So we are going to have again a lot of videos tomorrow. The idea behind all this is, today I just did the screenplay and lighting mainly because after tomorrow you are going to write your own story. Right? You are going to write your own story. Either you are going to write a story or you are going to adapt a story for shooting. And the story should be written or chosen in such a manner that you can shoot it at home. So you have to use your imagination and try and shoot your story at home. Gari apna, either if you're in business, then you have to shoot a film about your product. Right? If you're not in business, then you have to take a story which you are going to shoot. Now, as far as I know, right now only 2 people are actually actively making films. One is Karandikar madam and one is Samaira. Anybody else has made films? No, I don't think so. So there are some of you who are in business, some of you are doing social work. So I want you to think about what will you do with your work. I want you to think about what kind of film you can build for the future. And so I think Khare madam is doing social work, Nadgode madam is doing social work. What you need to look at it is that can you collect a lot of photographs that you have in digital format? Keep them ready, right? Keep them ready so that we can build a film on. So तुमचा एखादा प्रोग्राम झाला किंवा कुठला विषय आहे ह्याच्यावरती तुमचे फोटोग्राफची सिरीज असेल, and you need a lot of photographs. In a film, even a short film, you need 50, 60, 70 photographs. So don't be confused about the photographs. 10-15 से काम नहीं बनेगा, 10-15 से कुछ नहीं होगा, right? So you need to collect a lot of photographs that you have. तुमचे व्हिडिओज असतील करंदीकर मॅडम तर ते काढून ठेवा तुमच्याकडे, कारण शेवटचे 2 दिवस तुम्हाला मी जे सांगितले शिकवल्यानंतर तुम्हाला लगेच एक व्हिडिओ बनवून पाठवायचा आहे आफ्टर द कोर्स. सो अक्ते सर तुम्ही काय करता मला माहित नाही.
सर मी पण केले मूवी.
हा, मग तुझे पण
रिटायर्ड बँकर आहे मी.
हा,
आता सध्या काही मुलांच्याच व्यवसायात लक्ष दिलं.
तो कसला व्यवसाय आहे?
आर्किटेक्ट आहे, एकाच एज्युकेशनल आहे.
ओके,
तो प्रेझेंटेशन करत असतो.
ओके. आर्किटेक्ट असेल तुमचा एक मुलगा, तर त्याच्या कुठल्या साईटचे फोटोग्राफ मिळतील का, तर ते शोधून काढा.
बरं
सर,
हा
सर एक्सक्यूज मी जो तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ पाठवला ना, तो ऍक्च्युली मी नाही केलेला आहे, पण मी केले ते मी फक्त छोटे छोटे व्हिडिओ केलेले आहेत, आणि छोटे व्हिडिओ एक 2-3 मिनिटाचे किंवा तेवढेच ऍड केलेले आहेत किंवा तेवढे जॉईन केलेले आहेत. तेवढं येत आहे.
ठीक आहे ना. आपण शिकणार आहोत ना पुढे कसं करायचं ते.
ओके.
We are going to learn all that anyway. See, there are two ways that we make movies.
Okay.
One is a planned shoot and one is a blind shoot.
Yeah.
Right? A planned shoot, म्हणजे we go with the story, we decide on the screenplay, we decide on the short breakup, and based on that short breakup, there is the director's script, that's what we call it, also shooting script. मग त्याच्याप्रमाणे आपण ते शॉर्ट प्लॅन्ड घेतो आणि त्याच्याप्रमाणे आपण एडिटिंग करतो. वी डू द एडिटिंग बेस्ड ऑन अ प्लॅन्ड शॉर्ट्स, राईट. द अदर इज अनप्लॅन्ड शूट. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ आय गो समवेअर फॉर अ पिकनिक, राईट, then there is nothing planned. There's no story. Yet you have to make it into a story. बरोबर ना? You have to make it into a story. So I'm going to show you one film now. Let me see. Just one second. All right. I'm going to show you this film. This film was shot. I was stepping down. I was parking the car in my house and I was going to step on this thing. आता तुम्हाला कदाचित ते बघून घाण वाटेल, पण प्लीज बघा ते फिल्म, बिकॉज this is something which was completely blindly shot. There was no planning in the shoot. I just kept on taking shot after shot. And then after the entire thing was done, मी म्हटलं आता ह्याचं करायचं काय? What do I do with this? Right? So I made a film and wrote a story on top of the existing shoot that I had. This film is actually shown in management institutes in their training. Right? मला खूप लोक फोन करून विचारतात की तुमची फिल्म दाखवू का? म्हटलं फ्री आहे, युट्यूबवर कोणी दाखवू शकतं, but they still ask. Right? So I'm going to show you this film. Have a look at it. It's a 3-minute film, 3.5 minute film.
सर तुम्ही म्यूट आहात.
So there was nothing planned. I was actually going to step on that lizard. I saw that some ants are pulling. I had no idea this is going to happen. आणि मला वाटतं ते बाजूच्या कुठल्या तरी खड्ड्यामध्ये घेऊन जातील, पण नाही, त्यांनी ते भिंतीवरती नेलं. राईट, दे टूक दॅट लिझर्ड अप द वॉल. तिथे त्यांचं बिळाचं ओपनिंग होतं. And the fascinating thing was the larger ants were continuously biting on the arm joints, right, to weaken them. कारण ते फोल्ड करून त्याच्यामध्ये घालायचं होतं. They had to put that lizard into that small gap. The lizard is like this, right? So they had to fold the limbs like this, so they are weakening the joints so that it can be folded. Amazing, amazing. The point is that this is how you think of a film, of a story after you should do shooting. So when you go on a picnic, when you go somewhere on a trip, then if you try to build a story around it, then it becomes more interesting for the user to. So I could have just shown this without building a story, but because I built a story around this, it became so fascinating. It is actually being shown in management schools for a team building exercise. When they teach team building, a lot of people show my film. How to delegate responsibilities aptly, how to give the right person the right job. हे सगळं ते शिकवतात. So that is what I'm trying to tell you. Unplanned shoots and planned shoots, blind shoots and planned shoots. So that is how you play with this. You have no control over the shoots that you're going to do sometimes. When you go out or when you suddenly come across something, you have to try and think of the footage and try to think of a story. What can you do with this footage? Then you can build it into it. Not always. Sometimes it is not always. It's not always that you can do it. Sometimes you can do it. It's luck. You may get the right kind of shots. You may think of a good story. So the point is that you see the kind of shots I've used in this film. Close-ups, very extreme close-ups. Then खाली ठेवून त्या जमिनीवर ठेवून शॉट घेतले, भिंतीवरनं शॉट घेतलेत, लॉंग शॉट घेतलेत, right? I've used all kinds of shots to build it into an interesting thing. Now that comes with practice. Why I'm telling you to do all the shots is you will understand what happens when you're trying to take a shot, right? But which shot to take when is something that you need to learn, and that comes only with practice. So that we are going to learn tomorrow. We are going to analyze different advertisements. Why we are going to analyze advertisements? Because good advertisements tell an entire story in the 30-second or 1 minute slot. In 1 minute, they can tell a fantastic story, right? So we are going to analyze some advertisements tomorrow and learn, and we are going to deconstruct those advertisements so that we can construct our advertisements afterwards, our films afterwards. So we are going to do, this is basically something that nobody teaches, but this is because I am a teacher and my subject is research also. म्हणजे माझी डॉक्टरेट आहे ती कम्युनिकेशन डिझाईन मध्ये आहे, व्हिज्युअल कम्युनिकेशन मध्ये आहे. So this is a part of something that we do as our academics, which I am bringing into our course, because I think anybody who learns filmmaking should first learn how to deconstruct existing films, learn from the masters, right? So we are going to deconstruct the film. We are going to put a little bit of research into this whole exercise, and that will really make you understand how to do your own films. That is what we are going to do. All right. So should we end today? Any questions? बोला अक्षय सर बोला.
सर कॉमेंट्री आहे, त्याला कॉमेंट्री करायची शूटिंगला क्या?
नाही काही नाही.
ओनली शूटिंग,
ओनली द शॉट्स. कॉमेंट्री काय नाही करायची. Anything else? Anybody wants to ask me? Say something.
सर
हा,
पण बॅकग्राऊंडला जर आम्ही शूट घेताना आवाज असेल तो आम्हाला एडिट नाही करता येणार ना, तो येणार असेल.
मी ते काही बघणार नाही, मी फक्त शॉट बघणार आहे.
Okay.
I'm not going to see what the sound is coming. I'm just concerned with the visuals.
tomorrow.
Nothing else.
सर पण शॉर्ट रेकॉर्ड करायच्या आधी त्यांची नावं घेऊन रेकॉर्ड करायचे का नुसतेच केले?
नाही, मला कोण आहे त्याच्याशी काही संबंध नाही.
नाही तसं नाही, म्हणजे आता जर का लॉंग शॉट असेल तर आधी लॉंग शॉट असं बोलून मग जर का रेकॉर्डिंग लॉंग शॉटचं
नाही गरज. मला कळेल ना, मी उद्या विचारेन तुम्हाला बरोबर. मी विचारणार तुम्हाला हा शॉट कुठे घेणार, मी टेस्ट घेणार तुमची उद्याला.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Ha. Anything else, Prasanjit?
Yeah, Mangesh sir,
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, Prasanjit. Prasanjit, your voice is gone again. Okay, Samaira, you're going?
Sir, it's my time to sleep.
Okay. Prasanjit, I can't hear you. I think there's a network problem.
Like that.
Okay,
Can I
Prasanjit.
go?
Yes, Samaira, you can go. Good night.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
see you tomorrow.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Good night.
Prasanjit, I'll call you separately on phone. Okay? I'll call you on the phone because I can't, on the video I can't hear you at all. I'm going to call you in 5 minutes. Okay. Anybody else have got a question? Otherwise, we'll stop today. Thank you very much.
Good night.
Yeah? Okay. Good night, everybody. We'll
Good
meet again tomorrow. 9
Good
o'clock.
night,
Hello,
sir.
can you give? Hello, sir. Can you give 1 day break so we can take video
I'm going,
shooting in a,
no, I'm going to give a break after tomorrow.
because because for
आत्ताची
take out the,
असाइनमेंट तुम्ही 5 मिनिटात करू शकता.
but we have to go through all the shots of yesterday's class, no?
You, that is something that you have to do. Quickly scrub through करा ना, सगळं डिटेल मध्ये बघू नका, तेवढाच फक्त भाग बघा. ते बाकी कॅमेरा मुवमेंट्स नाही करायचे. You're not doing camera movements. You only are going to do the shots.
Okay. Thank you.
If you can do camera movements, nothing. Yes.
सर माझा एक प्रश्न आहे.
हा बोला.
सर शॉर्ट्स आहेत ते फक्त माणसाचे घ्यायचे, झाडांचे वगैरे दुसऱ्या वस्तूंचे घ्यायचे चालतील का?
शक्यतो माणसांचे घ्या, कारण आपल्याला त्याचं डायमेन्शन्स कळतात.
ओके सर.
कुणालाही घ्या, त्याच्या नकळत घ्या पाहिजे तर.
नाही विचारायचं होतं सर तेवढंच.
येस, बाय.
Good night.
Okay, bye.
Good night, sir.
Bye.
Good night, bye.
Good night.
Yes, bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.